Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the reindeer does in your A garden. So again, you get it from the Christmas egg. This is what it looks like. It is a legendary pet, and basically it gains additional XPs for every reindeer in your garden. Also has Beast of Snow, occasionally has a chance to mutate nearby fruits with the snowy mutation. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. Super cute pet. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!